Now, the science in the book, my 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 benchmark was to keep everything what I call Mythbusters plausible. So, yeah, it can go to the fringe a little bit, but everything can be done. Um, Picking up rabies from carrion, that was based on a study out of the University of Kansas. Um, all the things that are built in the book, our protagonists, our heroes, they use ham radios, they use hubcaps, they use ATVs and solar panels, things that were found in the state park where this takes place, in a ranger station. And they were able to reconfigure all these things and kind of MacGyver stuff together um, to solve their problems, to get out of the predicaments that they're in.